Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Third Person. In this video, we are going to talk about FASTag and what is the news update and why Paytm FASTag is my best choice. Feel free to switch between the timelines in the description if you're here only to know a specific part. For the rest, let's discuss in short what is the news. So I don't have to explain what is FASTag and why we should buy it or how does it works. It has been the major talk since 2019 December, the first deadline given by the central government to make it mandatory. Now, it has been made mandatory. If you have to pass through a toll gate in a chargeable vehicle, you need to have a FASTag, or else you have to pay double the amount for a single entry. There are 22 banks offering FASTags with customer care support, listed below in the description and the comment section. Please do feel free to mention it in the comment section if I have missed any service provider. Why Paytm is my choice? I've been a Paytm and a State Bank FASTag user since 2019 and I've heard from my friends about other FASTag service providers and it has not been a pleasant journey for them. And we are going to see in this video why I support Paytm FASTag. Buying a Paytm FASTag is as easy as you post an Instagram story or a WhatsApp status. Search for FASTag or click on the Buy FASTag icon in the Paytm app. You will be redirected to the next page where you have to enter the vehicle RC number and upload the pictures of the RC front and back, confirm the delivery address and the payment mode. FASTag will be dispatched to your registered address. It will be delivered within mostly 3 to 4 working days and you can stick it by yourself with the instruction given with it easily. The cost breakup of the Paytm FASTag is Rs 500, out of which 100 rupees is the transaction charges and 250 rupees is the security deposit and 150 rupees as threshold amount, which is preloaded to your Paytm FASTag sub wallet. Now, why I support Paytm FASTag and not any other FASTag is that there are 4 reasons to it. 1. Easy and hassle-free recharge. 2. Surrendering or transferring money or managing is easy. And 3. Works all of the time and customer care support. Easy and hassle-free recharge. Why do I say it? Even you can say that as not even recharging. Adding money to your wallet is as easy and you can forget it after adding it, because you can pay bills, recharge and flight tickets from it. Now if you want, you can transfer it back to your bank account without any struggle or without any fees charged by the Paytm now. Whereas in other banks, FASTag, it is a separate account. Transferring money to and fro is not that easy. Recharging State Bank FASTag is not an easy process. Trust me, I've tried it. You have to enter the card details and every other details if you want to recharge it. It does not store anything. Banks think it has safety reasons, but it is a bit irritating, not than pleasing. Managing FASTags. You can manage the FASTag in the Paytm app. You can switch it on and off as you please, and you can also add 2 to 3 FASTags in a single Paytm account. For bank accounts, it is mostly web pages or applications where you have to submit the proofs and wait for the surrender of the FASTags, and managing is not that easy. Paytm FASTags does not black you out mostly, even if you forget to recharge your Paytm wallet. It has a threshold of 150 rupees, which you can cross the next first toll gate after your wallet becomes to 0, and you will be reminded to recharge it then. It will take the difference amount and add the money to the wallet again, whereas the other banks' FASTags will block you out in the very first toll gate when your wallet balance is insufficient. In our busy life, we tend to forget some things, where this feature of the Paytm comes handy. Customer care. I have not had any issues with the Paytm FASTag since the past 1.5 years, but I've had issues with State Bank FASTags and I've spoken with the customer care executives. Even though they are responsive, it is not a pleasant process. And so with that said, I've shared my experience with the Paytm FASTag. Comment below in the comment section about this video. Either it's critical or appreciative. Constructive criticism is always better than a false praise. Also do comment below if you want me to do a video about interesting topic which you would like the world to know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.